Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my last project. So it's a recumbent trike, homemade. Yes, I made it in my garage with very simple tools or DIY tools. Just basically I can explain that this machine was made. Well, the frame basically was made from the back part of the bicycle and welded to just say square pipes weld together in a cross section, and yeah, it was attached to the front part here, the front part of the bicycle. Yeah, the wheels are from monkey bikes or circuit bikes, and the brakes, the caliper brakes, yes, the front ones work at the same time when we use one lever, as you can see here, one lever, and this is the steering system. That is basically the hardest part to build, because you must understand very well how the steering system works. This pipe is irrigation pipe, and just to make the adapter, so I stick the irrigation pipe as a guide. So I use cloth tape, and here the pedal arm is a short, is the medium size, because the distance between the ground and the level of the lower level of the pedal allow to you encounter in a lot much better way when you need to face obstacles like curves or some uneven surfaces. So I apologize because the seat is not really well, but I've been looking for a really nice seat, some kind of like a bucket seat, kind of narrow, something like that, just to avoid the problems related with the balance when you turn in high speed. When you are riding in high speed, your weight tend to go to this side or to this other side. But anyway, I think I made it.